DNS, Domain Name System. The Domain Name System (DNS) is like the Internet's phone book. It translates human-friendly domain names into IP addresses that computers use to locate each other. An IP address is like a home address for your device on the Internet. It helps other devices find and talk to your device just like a home address helps mail get to you. Every device connected to the Internet has one. Without DNS, you need to remember a bunch of numbers instead of website names. Real-life analogy: imagine calling a friend. You don't memorize their phone number, you just look up their name in your contacts and hit call. DNS works the same way. You type in a website name and DNS looks up its IP address to connect you. Why we use DNS? Convenience: it's easier to remember names like example.com than a string of numbers. Scalability: handles billions of requests daily as the Internet grows. Speed: quickly connects users to websites and services. Organization: helps structure the Internet by categorizing domains. How DNS works: 1. Domain name request. You type a website name into your browser. 2. Query to DNS server. Your device asks the DNS server for the IP address. 3. DNS resolution. If the DNS server knows the IP, it responds. If not, it asks other DNS servers until it finds the answer. 4. Connection established. Your browser connects to the website using the resolved IP address. Real life example: when you visit facebook.com, your browser sends a request to a DNS server. The DNS server finds the IP address for Facebook, and then your browser uses that IP address to connect you to Facebook servers. Properties of DNS. Hierarchy structure. DNS organizes domain in a tree-like structure, starting with the root servers at the top. A root server is like a phone book manager of the Internet. It helps computers find where websites are located. Example: www.google.com is broken into www. This is the subdomain, often used to indicate the web version of a service. It can vary or even be omitted. Google. This is the domain name or second-level domain (SLD). It identifies the specific entity or website. .com. This is the top-level domain (TLD), which categorizes the domain. Caching. DNS caching is a process that stores the results of previous DNS lookups temporarily to speed up future requests. When you visit a website, your computer or network doesn't have to ask a DNS server for the IP address every time. It can reuse the cached information. This reduces load time and decreases the strain on DNS servers. Example: if you visit example.com often, its IP address is cached locally. Redundancy. Multiple DNS servers ensure reliability. If one fails, others handle the request. Where DNS is used. Website browsing. Every time you visit a website, DNS translates its domain name to an IP address. Email delivery. DNS helps route emails by finding mail servers for the recipient's domain. Streaming services. DNS connects you to the nearest server for faster video playback. Online gaming helps match players with servers in their region. Key takeaways. DNS is the Internet's phone book, translating domain names into IP addresses. It makes the Internet easier to use, faster, and more organized. Every time you browse, stream, or email, DNS quietly works in the background to connect you. Thanks for watching.